I think again I'll take it in two stages. One is for the seed round of investors, and I think the next is the institutional round, wherein a lot of early stage and growth stage venture capital firms come in. So I think for seed stage round of funding, I think the investor, so you need to not just understand what an investor looks at, but what is the profile of the investor, right? So I think seed stage round of investment is majorly taken care of by HNIs, family offices, some micro VCs, some very early stage VCs who are willing to take those high risk bets at very, very early stage and get the premium of that, of course, in form of dilution. So I think that is the profile of the investors, right? What they essentially look at is, see, at a seed stage, the product is there. I mean, a bit of that is there, but what they then take a bet on is the team. So at a very early stage, an investor would want to focus more on, or he gives on an evaluation scorecard, he would give say around 30% of the total score to the team. What is which is instrumental in getting the product to where it is currently. And I think that is very, very important factor. What is the background of the team? What is the relevant experience of the team? Is it in the like industry that they are currently working on? What is the total experience of each of the founders, and what is the specialization or the expertise that they come in with as a team, to be able to solve the problem they're trying to solve currently? Is it and what is the educational background? Of course, of course, you have outliers like Ritesh Agarwal himself, but then end of day, investors do tend to place a lot of reliance on the educational background also. But what is more important is relevant experience of the like industry or maybe other different industries, but the domain expertise in terms of what they're handling as founders. So if a CTO has been a CTO of maybe a startup or a tech lead in different technology companies, I think that's a relevant background that they would want to look at. And similarly, for a CEO and CEO, the same story goes there. But I think what is also important apart from team is the timing of the product, apart from the product itself. So I think the timing is very, very important. Had Airbnb come, 3 years before it actually came, I think, it would have not solved the problem really for people, or probably it would have not been the right time for people to envisage that as such big or so huge a problem. I think Airbnb came at the right time, and that was, timing is very, very important for an early stage investor to envisage. So if I, as an early stage investor, I'm able to envisage, okay, this is a solution which really makes sense at this point in time, because this is how consumer behavior is changing. Then this is, a lot of reliance is placed by investors on the timing of the, product and solution. And I think what is also important is, of course, the solution. I mean, if you're solving a problem of, say, if I come in with a problem solving around, maybe a self or maybe a four-wheeler that I take as a cab, and just the exact replica of Ola. I mean, I'm not solving a real problem as such. That's another pain. I'm solving a problem in the local territory. That's about it. And I think I'm not scalable model for any investor to place reliance on, because he, as an investor, would want to look at a foreseeable 3, 4, 5, 6x exit in whatever successive rounds are going to come in. And probably for an early stage investor, since he is placing a lot of reliance on the team, timing, and product, I think these are the three pillars of what decide or are the deciding factors for an investor to look at. Because see, end of day, obviously competitive landscape is also one of the factors that he would want to place a lot of reliance on. But then if your solution is, like I said, solving a real problem, has a huge market, and end of day has a team which is expert enough to solve that problem in a phased out manner, and through specific processes, and is all capable of achieving what it plans to through the model. I think investors would want to place a lot of reliance, particularly at the seed stage, and that's what micro VCs also look at as part of their thesis.